Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor. And as you know guys, CGL 2022 is coming. So we are preparing for it guys in a systematic manner guys, in a systematic manner. So today we will see guys what generally comes in CGL tier 1. Okay, so we will do quite a good practice session over it. Hello Shivakaran, hello Shrivani, very good afternoon. A very good afternoon to all guys. Is I'm clearly audible visible? Is I'm clearly audible visible? Please do let me know as well once after you join. And what is the next thing you should be doing guys? The next thing you should be doing is sharing the session across your friends, colleagues so that they can also join us. Guys. Okay, a very exciting morning or afternoon to all of you. Okay, yes, Siva. Okay, Shrivani and all others, kindly do join. And after joining, guys, please do the sharings as well. So we are systematically beginning our preparation for CGL Tier 2. We are systematically beginning our preparation for, sorry, not CGL Tier 2, it's CGL Tier 1, as it is written over here. SSC CGL Tier 1, Quantitative Aptitude. Hello Harika, hello Pragati. Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon to all, and all the good lucks, guys, for this particular paper. Let's begin discussing it and see, guys, that what is the variety you need to cover. Properly visible, na? Properly visible. Yeah, properly visible. What is the value of x for which this 7-digit number is divisible by 72? What is the value of x for which this particular number, hello Putin, good afternoon. What is the value of x for this particular number is divisible by 72? For what value of x this particular number is divisible by 72? Good morning. Uh, Afternoon is good. Okay. Divisible by 72 means divisible by 8 and 9 both. For 9, we see the sum of digits. And for 8, we check the last 3 digit divisible by 8. So I think first we will check for 9. 11 plus 11, 22, 27, 29. 29 plus x should be divisible by 9. So x comes out to be 9 4 ja 36, 7. Answer. Okay, because for 4 it would not be divisible by 9. For 5 it would not be divisible by 9. And for 8 as well it would not be divisible by 9. So for only one value of x it is getting divisible by 9. So that is our answer. Only for one value of x it is getting divisible by 9. So that is our answer. Shiva, Shrivani, Pragati, Harika, Putin and all others. Second question of the day. For 8, we check the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So, at 7, it will become 752 and 752 is divisible by 8. 8 9 ja 72, 32, 8 4 ja 72. 8 4 ja 32. Next. No. Putin, if you do it first by 8, then 2 values can come. But you have to parallelly see for 9 as well. Na? That is why I approach the problem by 9 first. Both should satisfy. Condition of 8, condition of 9. Condition of 8, condition of 9 is satisfying for x is equal. Basic trigonometry. Basic trigonometry. Guys, complementary pairs. From complementary pairs, cot can be converted into complementary pair as 10. And its angle is going to be complementary of it. Complementary means 90 minus 61, 29. So question will become sec square 29 minus 10 square 29. Sec square 29 minus 10 square 29 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 का whole square and cosec 30 is sin 30 1 by 2, so cosec 32 2 का square. Guys, this is the identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is the identity. Identity means which is always true. Which is always true. So sec square 29 minus tan square 29 is always 1. Identity of sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta plus root 3 by 2 का square is 3 by 4 plus 4. So it is 5 plus 3 by 4. 5 plus 3 by 4, which is 23 by 4. Which is 23 by 4. So what was required? What was required, guys? The values of sine and cosec and the identity relation. The values of sine and cos and the identities relation. Today you need to do one thing, bacha. Today you need to do one thing. You have to maintain the score. You have to maintain the score. Like 1 correct out of 1, 1 by 1. 2 correct out of 2, 2 by 2. 4 correct out of 5, 4 by 5. Because more than 25 questions will come. More than 25 questions will come. So you have to maintain your scores as well. Kindly write down your scores as of now. Kindly write down your scores as of now. So I will be cross-checking it. Kindly write down your scores in present situation. 2 questions are over. 2 questions are over. I want to check up your scores by 25 or maybe 30. Okay, come on guys, write down, write down. What? One out of 2, 2 out of 2, 3 out of 3, whatever is your score, kindly let me know. I would be following it. I would be following it, guys. ABC efficiencies are given. Working together, they can complete the task in 9 days. So work can be done by ABC together. Work can be done by ABC together in 9 days. So work can be done by ABC together in 9 days. What are their efficiencies? A is 2, B is 5, C is 3 in 9 days. So you will say, sir, total work is 7 plus 3, 10. 10 into 9 is 90. Total work is 90. Total work is 90. Okay, total work is 90. In how many days C alone can do 40% of this work? In how many days C alone can do 40% of the work? So 40% of the work is 4 by 10 of 90, that is 36. So you want to do 36 work, and who will do this? C will do this. So for 36 work divided by C, 36 work divided by the efficiency of C, and efficiency of C is 3. Efficiency of C is 3. 36 work divided by the efficiency of C, that is 3, it will take only 12 days to get completed. It will take only 12 days to get completed. Clear? Update your scores. Update your scores, guys. Update your scores. You have to do it, guys. I would be keep on asking it. I would be keep on asking it because I want to see how many of you score 22, 23, 24, 25 out of 25. I want to see how many of you score at least 22 or 21 out of 25. Okay. Good one. Pragati, well done. Shiva, Harika, Putin, Shrivani. So now after this, we would be doing it after 5, after 10, after 15, after 20, after 25. Okay, 5 slots. After 5, after 10, after 15, after 20, after 25. We would be dealing it in 5 slots. You maintain the order with you. Keep a checklist in your rough book as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 25. Yeah. I think I've added one more question, so 26. Maintain the order. So whenever I ask, reply me. Whenever I ask, reply me. A sphere of radius 4 centimeter is melted and recasted into small spheres of, okay. When you do the recasting, guys, when you melt, volume remain constant. When you melt, volume remain constant. When you melt, guys, volume remain constant. So initial volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. From this big sphere, let's suppose n small spheres are made. From this big sphere, let's suppose n small spheres are made and their volumes each are 4 by 3 pi 2 cube. So there is no use of 4 by 3 pi. It is basically 4 cube upon 2 cube. It is 4 cube upon 2 cube. So you will say, sir, 4 by 2. 4 by 2. 4 ka cube is just a minute. No issues, Ram. No issues. You can maintain Ram. Like if you have attempted only one, then you can write 1 out of 1. Yeah. If you have only attempted 1, you can write 1 out of 1. Okay. So I can take it as 4 by 2 ka whole cube, which is 2 ka cube 8. It's 2 ka cube 8. If you have attempted less, then guys, you can only write the number of questions attempted by you. Then you can only write number of questions attempted by you. Okay. Next. I should have kept the timer as well. From tomorrow onwards, I would be keeping the timer as well. From tomorrow onwards, I would be keeping the timer as well of 45 seconds. Marked price 960, 2 successive discount, 1 is known, second is asked, and final selling price is known. And final selling price is known. Marked price 960. First discount of 25%. 25% is discount of 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 of 960 is 1 by 4 of 960 is minus 240. So if you give 240 rupees discount over it, it will become 2720 after first discount. After first discount, it will become 720. After first discount, it will become 720. Then you will give one more discount, and after that discount, it will finally sold for 612. So how much discount, guys, you have given now? 20 minus 8 is 12, and this is 108. So now you have given a discount of 108. Now you have given a discount of 108. Now this 108 discount is given over 720. This discount of 108 you have offered over 720. So you will say, sir, I have offered a discount of 108 over 720. Over 720. I want to convert into percentage. So it's 100. This minus is indicative in nature. This minus is indicative in nature. It is indicating the discount. It is indicating the discount. 36. 36 2 what happened? 36 2 and 36 3 to 5 15% discount. 15% discount. 15% discount. 5 questions up, update the scores. 5 questions up, update the scores. Update the scores, guys. What is your scores? Harika Shivakaran is maintaining 5 out of 5. Okay. Shrivani also maintaining 5 out of 5. Ram Gurja 3 out of 3. Pragati Sri Lakshmi 4 out of 5. Well done. Keep it up. Keep it up. Second stage of competition. Second stage of competition. From 6th to 10th. If you do the calculation errors as well, then also you can count, then also you cannot count the marks, yeah? Then also you cannot count the marks if you do the calculation error as well. And if you are writing the answer after being done by me, then also you cannot count the marks. Walking at 3 by 5 of his usual speed, a person reaches 20 minutes late. Walking at 3 by 5 of his usual speed, a person reaches 20 minutes late to the office. So, let the usual speed is 5, then the new speed is 3. Let the usual speed is 5, then the new speed is 3. Because he is walking at 3 by 5 of his usual speed. So, usual speed is this and new speed is this. Okay, new speed is this. So, time would be taken in the inverse ratio, 3:5. Time would be taken in the inverse ratio, 3:5. Now he is 20 minutes late. So according to ratio, 2 late. 2 is equal to 20 minutes. 1 is equal to 10 minutes. Usual time. This is the usual time. Below usual speed. Usual time is 3. So 3 is equal to 30 minutes. 3 is equal to 30 minutes. Option number C. Option number C. 3 is equal to 30 minutes. Option number C. Next. Usual time. Chalo. I'm very interested in this question. I'm very interested in this question. 75 seconds done. Okay, let's begin the discussion. Let's begin the discussion. Only if you have given the answer till, matlab, if you have find out the answer till now, you can count the marks. What is the approximate percentage increase in the number of students passing out of college? B. What is the approximate increase in the number of students passing out of college B in the year 2017 as compared to the previous year? So the question is only about the B college. What is the increment in 2017 passing year? What is the increment in 2017 passing year as compared to the previous year? What is the increment in the 2017 passing year as compared to the previous year? So it is asking that 77, how much is the increment? From 68 to 77, what is the percentage increment? So I think there is an increment of 9. So increment of 9 over previous value. This is the previous value. Na? Increment is always taken over the previous value. So increment of 9 over the previous value into 100. Increment of 9 over the previous value into 100. Now options are very close. Options are very close. No worries. Simplify by 4. 25. Simplify by 4. 17. 17. Okay. 17. So now guys, I think 17 table is not that difficult. 17 table is not that difficult. 17 1 just 17. After that, it's 8. So 80. So 17 4 ja 17 4 ja 68. 17 4 ja 68. And we have 80. So 12 120. And 120 is bacha. 120 is 7 times. 119. 119. So you will say, sir, 9 into 1.47. Now it's a easy multiplication. 9 7 just 63. 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus 6 42. 9 plus 4 13. 13.23 percentage. Seventeen table is playing a crucial role. 17 table is playing a crucial role. 17 table is playing a crucial role. Clear? Clear, guys? Okay, let's move on. Forty-five seconds done. So there are girls and there are boys. There are girls and there are boys. Okay, there are girls and there are boys. Average marks of girls 72. Average marks of girls 72. Average marks of boys 54. Okay. Now let's write down their numbers. Their numbers are, girls are 60%. Girls are 60%. So boys are remaining 40%. For the number, only the ratio is required. For the number, only the ratio is required. You have to find out the overall average. You have to find out the overall average. Okay. So overall average, guys, if you do it by equation, then A1 N1 72 into 3 plus A2 N2, 54 into 2 upon N1 plus N2 upon N1 plus N2. Okay, this is your A1, this is your average 2, this is your number 1, and this is your number 2. Yeah, so A1 N1 plus A2 N2 upon N1 plus N2. It is always advisable. It is always advisable. There are some tricks as well, but those are sometimes will help you, sometimes won't. Sometimes will help you, sometimes won't. Okay. So this is 216 plus 108 divided by 5. It is 324 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Then 24. 5 4 are 20. 64.8. 64.8. 64.8. 64.8. There are some tricks as well, guys. I can also tell those tricks like 72, 54, 3 ratio 2. Divide the difference in the ratio 3 ratio 2. What is the difference, bacha? 54, 64, 74, 20, 18 difference. Divide 18 difference in the ratio 3 ratio 2. Divide 18 difference in the ratio 3 ratio 2. Divide the difference of 18 in the ratio 3 ratio 2. Only find out any one of the value. Let's suppose I found out 2. So 2 is going to be 2 by 5 of 18. And 2 by 5 of 18 is nothing but it's 3.6. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. 3.6 into 2, 7.2. So you just find out the value of 2, 7.2. Clear? Now, the bigger value is 72. The bigger value is 72. What should be subtracted from 72? What should be subtracted from 72? So you will get 7.2. What should be subtracted from 72 so that you will get 72? You will say, sir, that value is 72 minus 7.2, which is about 64.8. Is it cool? Is it cool? Come on, watch out. Here you have to divide the difference in the ratio of numbers. Here you have to divide the difference in the ratio of the numbers. Here you have to divide the difference in the ratio of the numbers. Okay. Let's move on. Guys, I forget the count. Yeah. After this, you have to update the scores. Yes, Shiva, yeah. After this, you have to update the scores. Yeah. The difference between SI and CI for 2 years. The formula is D over P R over 100 ka whole square for 2 years. For 2 years, the formula is D over P R over 100 ka whole square. Difference is 24.50. Principal is X. Rate is 7. So 7 by 100 2 times. 7 by 100 2 times. Divided by 100, 100 will get cancelled out. 7 3 ja 21. 35, 7 5 ja 35. Okay. 7 5 ja 35, 50. So X is 50 into 100, 5,000. Only the game of zeros. Only the game of zeros, guys. Only the game of zeros. For 2 years, difference formula is D over P R over 100 ka whole square. And for 3 years, the formula is D over P r over 100 का whole square into 300 plus r over 100 into 300 plus r over 100. Okay. G over P R over 100 ka whole square. Let's move on. Let's move on further. Chalo, let's do it after this. Let's do it after it, guys. Yeah, let's do it after this. Let's do the price is equal to expenditure is equal to price into consumption. So change in expenditure should be equal to change in price into change in consumption. So change in expenditure should also be equal to change in price upon change in consumption. Now price is increasing by 24%. So from 100 it has become 124. Expenditure is rising by 18%. Expenditure is rising by 18%. So from 100 it has become 118. What is the change in consumption? We will get to know this very soon. So change in consumption is 118 over 124. 118 over 124. Can I say there is a decrement in the change? Can I say there is a decrement in the change? How much is the decrement, bacha? The decrement is from 124 to 118, I think a decrement of 6. So from 124 to 118, there is a decrement of 6. So the decrement in the expenditure is 116. You will say, sir, there is a decrement of 6 over 124 into 100. Just simplify it and enjoy. Just simplify and enjoy. So 2 will simplify 62 times, 2 will simplify 3 times. So it's 300 by 62. You know, if it would be 60, if it would be 60, it would be 5%. It is more than 60, so less than 5% would be the answer. Less than 5% would be the answer. Little bit, Bombay. Thoda sa kam. Little bit. If you want to simplify it completely, you can. If you want to simplify it completely, you can. You will get a decrement of 4.8%. You can observe it as well, guys. You can observe it as well. Little bit less than, you will say 5%. Little bit less than 5%. Because if this would be 30, it is going to be 5%. This is going to be 5%. So it is less than 5%. Chalo, now update the scores. Now update the scores. Now update the scores. Now update the scores. 7 out of 8, okay. Ram, the DI problem. Pragati, the DI and the Okay, Harika, no problem whatsoever. Srivani, no problem whatsoever. And Shivakaran, the DI problem, or this one, or this one. Okay, Putin Saab, also few problems. Okay, let's move on. All the best for the next 5 questions. All the best for the next 5 questions. All the best for the next 5 questions. Root x minus 1 upon root x is given. What is x square plus 1 upon x square? You will say, sir, root x minus 1 upon root x is given as 3 root 2. Square it once. Square it once. On squaring, it will become x plus 1 upon x. From negative, you are converting into positive. From negative, you are converting into positive, so add 2. From negative, you are converting into positive, so add 2. Not subtract 2. Add 2. Yeah? From negative, you are converting into positive, so add 2. Okay? So x plus 1 upon x is going to be 9 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20. 20. After this, if you will square it again, then it is 20 ka square minus 2. It is 20 ka square minus 2. Because now it's the same sign. Now from plus to plus. If it is from plus to plus, then you can do it by subtracting 2. Then you can do it by subtracting 2. 400 minus 2, 398. 400 minus 2, 398. 400 minus 2, 398 is your answer. Correct? Let's move on. Let's move on. Again, 75 seconds. Again, 75 seconds. . 25 more than Ram, 25 more than 25. .75 seconds are done. Take 15 seconds more. The final 15 seconds. The final 15 seconds. Okay. Okay, it's over. It's over, guys. Shows the percentage of students passing out of different college over 3 years. It is given that 200 students appeared every year. So basically their sum is 200 students appeared every year. Okay. So this is the percentage of students, guys. Percentage of students. So this is not the number. This is the percentage. This is not the number. This is the percentage. Okay. So It is being given over here that the percentage of students passing out of 5 different colleges. Okay. So that is the error prone zone. That was the error prone zone. Every student, every year, 200 students appeared every year from each college. If the number of passed out students from all the 5 colleges is represented by the pie chart, what is the central angle of the sector representing the passed out students of the college C? Passed out students of the college C. Passed out students of the college C. Okay. Bacha, you have to find out the passed out students of all. How can we find out, guys? How can we find out? It is given that this is 200 students every year. So what is 68% of 200? What is 68% of 200? You can find out, sir. 68 by 100 of 200. A very easy number. 8 to just 16. 136. Yeah? So you have to write down these like this. Yeah? 136. 144. Then this is 74 ka double is 148. So, because guys, since each student is, because every number is calculated for 200 each. So basically every value will get double. Every value will get double. So we can add up this and find out this as well. Then later we will double it. Then we can later double it. So this is becoming 140. 140 plus 74 is 214 and double of 214 is 428. This is 65 plus 65, that is 130, 133, 133 plus 7, 140, 210, double of it 420. 80, this is becoming, guys, 90, 90, 180, 180 plus 80 is 260, 260 double 520. This is, guys, 270, 270 plus 10, 280, 285, 285 double is 570 maybe. 570. And this is 21, 21 plus 2, 220, 440. Only for C. All are only for C. Okay, we have to. No, all the passed out students of all the 5 colleges. No year mentioned. No year mentioned. All the passed out students of all the 5 colleges, okay, are represented by a pie chart. So all the students of all the colleges, what is the central angle for college C? So what is the central angle for 520 over total of how much? 960. 9 plus 4, 13, 1380, 13 plus 5, 1880, 1880 plus 7, 1950, 1950 plus 428. 2378. For central angle, we multiply it by 360. For central angle, we multiply it by 360. For central angle, we multiply it by 360. Find out the answer. Find out the answer. It is going to be 79 degree. It is going to be 79 degree. Just do the approximation and find out the answer. Just do the approximation and find out the answer. Just do the approximation and find out the answer. You can do the approximations like this as well. Increase it by 22. So it will become 2400. Now this is almost 1/4 of it. This is almost 1/4 of it. So increase it by 1/4 of 22, that is 5.5. Very, very innovative. Very, very innovative, guys. So 12 20 times 12, 3 times. Simplified, simplified, 17. Have you seen, guys, what I have done? Have you seen what I have done? Should I take it once more? Okay, guys, what I have done, just see it once more. It was 520 over 2378. So I make it 2400 by adding 22. Now this is almost the 1/4 of it. This is almost the 1/4 of it. 1/4? Na? 1/4. So if I have added 22 over here, I need to add 1/4 of it, 5.5 over here. So it will become 525.5 and this will become 2400 into 360. 12, 3 times, 12, 20 times, yeah. And 2 is going to give it, and 2 is going to give it 2, 6, 2, 7 point into 3. Exactly it is giving us, exactly it is given it 78.8. Yeah, I want to make it 2400 for the simpler calculations. I want to make it 2400. I want to make it 2400 for simpler calculations. Okay. Next. Okay, so I want to make it 2400 for simpler calculations. This is pretty easy. This is pretty easy. A ratio B 2:5. Is it 2:5 here? Yeah. In the competition. 2:5 here in the competition. 2:5. Oh, all are in the competition as of now. All are in the competition. C ratio B 3:4. I would say, sir, B ratio C is 4:3. Okay. Where it is 4:3? In the option A, 4:3 maintained. Here, not. Here 4:3 not maintained. Here 4:3 not maintained. Only A is the possibility, is the answer. Only A is the possibility, answer. Only in option number A, 4:3B is maintained. Only in the option A, B:C is maintained as 4:3. In no other option, it is maintained as 4:3. Let's move on. Let's move on. Update the scores, guys, after this question. Update the scores after this question. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is A plus B plus C is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C ka whole square minus 3 times of AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. This is the most usable form of it. This is the most usable form of it. Yeah, this is the most usable form of it. So first thing you can check, sir, it should be a multiple of 7 because a plus b plus c is 7. So answer should be a multiple of 7. Answer should be a multiple of 7. 7 6 ja 42, not a multiple of 7. Okay, if you check this, 7 5 ja 35, 7 5 ja 35, 62, not a multiple of 7. 7 4 ja 28, 7 4 ja 28, after 28, 42, multiple of 7. If this is a multiple of 7, this is not. Answer. First thing you should be checking is which of the following is a multiple of 7. Only if there are more than 2 multiples of 7. Only if there are 2 or more than 2 multiples of 7, then we would be go for complete solving. Then only we will go for complete solving. So 7 ka square 49 minus 3 times of this is also known as 1. We can do completely as well. We can do it completely as well. Okay. Otherwise, no worries. We can just check the multiple of 7 and find out the answer. Move on to the next question of the day. Oh my God. Again, take 75 to 80 seconds. Again, take 75 to 80 seconds. हाँ 1.5 पौने 2. Since because they number of students in every college every year is same, it's a simple problem. Only because number of students only because number of students every year is same, it's a simple problem. Only because it is given that number of students from every college is same, it's an easy problem. We can calculate the average of the percentages as well. We can calculate the average of the percentages as well because every value is calculated for 200. Every value is calculated for 200. If the base for each is same, we can do the averaging of these as well. This is the highest, so no issues. This is the highest. It is also on the higher side. It is also on the higher side. 60, 60, 70, 60, 70, 70 and 70, 70, 70 also on a higher side. Either this or this. Either this or this. What is the sum? The sum is 140 plus 140 plus 7 is 210, 214. And what is the sum over here, guys? It is 130 plus 15, 145. 145 plus 5, 150. And 150 plus 6, 2. Whose sum is less, the average is also going to less. Whose sum is less, the average is also going to less. So B is the answer. B is the answer. Whose sum is less, average is also going to be less. Okay. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on and do the further questions. Body mass. And update the scores as well, guys. Update the scores as well. Update the scores as well. Update the scores as well. Chalo, let's after this question. after this question, guys, update the scores as well. Pragati, there is a decrement. Huh? There is a decrement. Divide, multiplication, plus multiplication, divide. It's clear over here. It's clear over here. Okay, whenever the divide and multiplication are one after another, it is better if you convert both of them into multiplication. Whenever the divide and multiplication are one after another, it is always better you convert all of them into multiplication. This is divide by 0.5, or you can say multiply by 0.5 is 1 by 2, na? So multiply by 2. We can convert the division into multiplication by taking the inverse of it. 3 times 12 plus 10 into 2, 20 minus 10. So this is 2 plus 20, 22. Answer. Whenever the divide and multiplication are adjacent to each other, we can convert them into complete multiplication by taking the inverse of divide. By taking the inverse of divide, we can do the things. Let's move on. Okay. Yeah, you can take C is equal to 0, but that is not going to too much benefit you. Yeah. I think you are talking about the 7 question now, where I've checked the what do you say, ABC multiple of 7. Number of steps is going to remain the same. Number of steps is going to remain the same. Can you assume the values? I think it would be difficult. They are not integral. Na? They are not integral values. Product is 2 and difference is 5. So you will go for the formula. A minus B का whole square plus 3AB. A minus B का whole square plus 3AB. 5 का square 25 plus 3 times of 2. 5, 25 plus 6, 31. Here 2 equations, 2 variables, so just do it completely. 2 equations, 2 variables, just do it completely. So A cube minus B cube is A minus B का whole square plus 3AB. A cube minus B cube is A minus B का whole square plus 3AB. A minus B का whole square plus 3AB. So this is the challenges, guys, which SSC puts. So are you sure that this time if we will prepare together, we would be able to score 22, 23, 24, 25 out of 25? Only 4 possibilities are, guys, there. You have to score either 22 or 23 or 24 or 25 correct out of 25. Yeah. Only these cases are possible, guys. Yeah. Depending upon the difficulty level. Depending upon the difficulty level of the exam. Only these 4 possibilities are there. 22, 23, 24, 25. Depending upon the difficulty level of the examination, only these 4 cases are acceptable. And you have to do your best to reach there. You have to do your best to reach out there. Guys, cosec and sec are complementary pair to each other. Cosec and sec are complementary pair to each other. Cosec and sec are complementary pair to each other. Okay. So, complementary pair means then the sum of their angles should be equal to 90 degree. So, 4q plus 60 minus 2q should be equal to 90 degree. Cosec and sec are only equal. Cosec and sec are only equal if they are complementary to each other. Cosec and sec are only equal only if they are complementary. Okay? So you will say, sir, 4 cube plus 60 minus 2 cube is equal to 90. 60 plus 2 cube is equal to 90. Oh, what? So 2 cube is equal to 2 cube is equal to 30, q is 15. Absolutely good. Absolutely good. Absolutely good. Yeah, no issues whatsoever. Absolutely good. No issues whatsoever. Okay. So 4q plus 60 minus 2q should be equal to 90 degree. You will say 2q is equal to 30, q is equal to 15. Next. Come on guys, do it fast, do it fast. In a circle of radius 13, a chord is at a distance of 12 from the center. What is the length of the chord? It's a rather easy one. It's a rather easy one. In a circle of radius 13, in a circle of radius 13, okay, in a circle of radius 13, a chord is at a distance of 12. A chord is at a distance of 12. You know, whenever you draw this perpendicular onto the chord, it will make an angle of 90 degree. If this is 13, this is 12, this is going to be 5. If this is 5, guys, it is also going to be 5 because the perpendicular drawn onto the chord bisect the chord as well. The perpendicular drawn onto the chord bisect the chord as well. So if this is 5, this is also 5. So length of the chord is 5 plus 5, 10. The length of the chord is 5 plus 5, 10. The length of the chord is 5 plus 5, 10. Next. Quickly share it, the guys. Quickly share the sessions as well. Quickly share the sessions as well. Okay. If you have done the sharing parts, you can do the liking part as well. If you have done the sharing part, you can do the liking part as well. Sine upon cos, sine cube upon cos cube is equal to 5 by 12. So can I say that 10 cube is equal to 5 by 12? 10 is perpendicular over base. 5, 12 make a right angle triangle with 13. 5, 12 make a right angle triangle with 13. 5, 12 make a right angle triangle with 13. So sine cube is 5 by 13. Cos cube is base upon hypotenuse 12 by 13 and cot cube is base upon perpendicular and cot cube is base upon perpendicular 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Question is done. In the denominator 65 is going to come. In the denominator 65 is going to come. You will say, sir, 17 by 13 minus 12 by 5. So 65, 13 5 ja 85 minus 5 is simplifying 13. Oh God, negative. It's a negative, bacha. It's a huge negative. So it's 13 into 12, 156. So it is coming, I think, minus 71 by 65. Answer. It is coming huge negative, minus 71 by 65. It is coming huge negative, minus 71 by 65. Okay, cool. So what is the status as of now, guys? Can I get to know what is the status as of now? How many questions done, guys? How many questions done total? And what is the score you are maintaining as of now? And what is the scores you are maintaining as of now? Seventeen out of 20. Well done, Pragati. 19 out of 20. Okay. So no one is out of out. Only the possibility is from Srivani maybe. Putin. Okay, Putin has improved in the later part. Srivani also made it two wrong. One would be from DI, one would be from DI, or maybe both from DI. Okay, or maybe both from DI. Okay, so the crucial moments was the DI. The crucial moments was the DI. This is triangle, okay? Triangle. Triangle. Not D. Not D. ABC is the triangle, P is the point on BC. Okay, you do it first. You do it first. Okay, do it now. Do it now. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Fast, guys, in a fast forward manner. ABC is a triangle. P is a point on BC, such that BP over PC is in the ratio 4:3. Such that BP over PC is in the ratio 4:3. Q is the midpoint of BP. Okay. Q is the midpoint of BP. Wow. So now I can further divide into 2 and 2. Now I can further divide into 2 and 2. Good, cool. Cool. Now I can further divide into 2 and 2. What is the area of triangle ABQ? What is the area of triangle ABQ? 2ACB. Total. 2ACB. Guys, when the triangles are made on the same base, write down. When the triangles are made on the same base, their area is proportional to base. Why? Why, guys? Why? Why? The next question is why? Because let's suppose I'm drawing the two triangles on the same base. Angle ABD and angle AD and angle ACD and angle ACD. Let's suppose this is A, this is B. Guys, height for them, what is the definition of height? The definition of height is the shortest distance between the shortest distance from the vertex to the opposite side. The shortest distance between the vertex to the opposite side. So, the shortest distance between the vertex to the opposite side. So guys, the height for both is same. The height for both triangle is same. So from the area, from the formula of half into base into height, if height is same to both, if height is same to both, only the area is going to proportional to base. Only the area is going to proportional to base. Cool. If you are drawing the triangles on the same base, if you are drawing the triangles on the same base, area is half into base into height. The definition of height is it is the shortest distance between the vertex onto the opposite side. So for this triangle, this is going to act as height, and for this triangle as well, this is going to act as height. It is unique, na? Altitude is unique. Altitude is unique. Okay. So area of AB cube upon ACB is, what is the base for AB cube? 2. And what is the base for ACB? It's the total. It's the total 7. Option number C. Option number C. Okay. Okay. Cool. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's move on. Some of you might be worried now. Some of you might be worried now. Okay, one more question come, which is going to hamper my performance. Some of you might be worried about, but it's rather easy. It's rather easy. Number of students passing to date of failing. Passing to date of failing from the college E in 2015. Passing to failing percentage, passing to failing ratio from the college E in 2015. 2015, college E, this. Now, this table is for the passing percentage. This table is for the passing percentage. So, passing is 72%. So, fail is going to be the remaining. That is maybe 28%. Fail is going to be the remaining. That is 28%. Simplify by 4. Simplify by 4. It's 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32. And simplify by 4, 7. 18 ratio 7. 18 ratio 7 is the correct answer. 18 ratio 7 is the correct answer. So reach 2015, reach college E, passing percentage given, failing we can find out by 100 minus pass. Failing we can find out, Failing we can find out by 100 minus pass. Okay, 18 ratio 7. Let's move on further. Okay. Come on, do it. When the sell, okay, they are being sold for the same selling price. They are being sold for the same selling price. This is the crucial moment. This is a crucial moment that they are being sold for the same selling price. This is the crucial moment that they are being sold for the same selling price. Okay. So, I'm giving you a gem. I'm giving you a gem, guys. If the articles are sold for the same selling price, overall profit loss percentage is, anyone remember? Anyone remember? 100x plus y, 100x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y. Gem. This is a gem. 100x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y. The condition is they should be sold for same selling price. So, first is for positive 30 plus 30. Second is for minus 25. Twice into plus 30 minus 25 upon 200 plus 30 minus 25. Answer. And this answer will come directly in the percentage. This answer will come directly in the percentage. 5 into 100, 500. 500. And this is 60 or maybe 50 minus 50 into 30. Minus 1500 maybe. Yeah. Divide by 205. Divide by 205. So it's minus 1000 by 205. You will say, sir, it's a overall loss. It's a overall loss. If this would be 200, then it is 5%. If this would be 200, then it is going to be 5%. Now, if the denominator is larger, then the value is going to be even less than 5%. If the denominator is larger than 200, then the value is going to be less than, 5%. D. If you simplify, you will get this. Yeah, we can do by the ratios as well. We can do it by the ratios as well. But this is applicable even when the values are very, very difficult. This is applicable, guys, even when the values are very, very difficult. Yeah. This is applicable even when the values are very, very difficult. If you simplify it by 5, it's 41 by 200. 4.9% less. Okay. Like if I give you profit of 19%, loss of 18%. If I give you in one case profit of 18%, loss of 17%, then ratios will not help us. Got it? If I give you guys in one case profit of 18%, in the another case the loss of maybe what do you say, 13%. Ratios cannot help us. Only the formula can help us. Only the formula can help us, nothing else. Let's move on. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Come on, guys, come on. In a circle with center O, arc ABC subtend 140 degree at the center. The chord AB is produced to the point P. What is angle CPB? In a circle with center O, arc ABC, subtend angle of 140 degree at the center. Subtend angle of 140 degree at the center. The chord AB is produced. The chord AB is produced, okay, to point P. To point P. What is angle CBP? What is angle CBP? Guys, if arc has subtended, if arc has subtended, if arc has subtended 140 degree at the center, it will subtend its half in the major segment. It will subtend its half, that is 70 degree, at a point on circumference in the major segment. Then it will subtend its half, that is 70 degree, at any point in the major segment. This is the major segment. This is the major segment. At any point, it will subtend its half angle, 70 degree. This is a cyclic quadrilateral as well. This is a cyclic quadrilateral as well. If this is 70, this is 110. 110 against 70 to make a linear pair. To make a linear pair. Some of the students remember it as well. If you want, you can. Otherwise, not necessary. If you want, you can. Otherwise, not necessary. If you want to remember it, you can. Otherwise, not necessary. First is, it will subtend the half angle. It will subtend the half angle in the major segment. Half angle in the major segment. Then if this is 70, this is 110 by the property of cyclic quadrilateral. By the property of cyclic quadrilateral, this is again 70. Okay. This is again 70. You have to give the scores after this one as well. You have to give the scores after this one as well. ABC is similar to EDF. ABC is similar to EDF. Okay, cool. Remember, guys, remember the order. Remember the order, guys. Once I fell to this order, once I also failed to this order in the exam. Because generally we have a habit of ABC similar to DEF. Generally we have a habit of ABC similar to DEF. But here EDF. Once I also fell prey to this order, guys, in the examination hall. That is a very kind of, you can say, a tactics played by SSC. Okay. So, if areas of the triangle is in the ratio, if areas of the triangle is in the ratio 4:9 for ABC and EDF, then their corresponding side is going to be in the ratio. Then their corresponding side is going to be in the ratio 2:3. Then their corresponding side is also going to be in the ratio 2:3. DF. DF. Put the cap over DF. Put the cap over DF. Now, what is exactly in the place of DF? Opposite BC. So, for finding out DF, BC is required. For finding out DF, BC is required. AC not required, AB not required. So, BC is given as 8. So, here this 2 is representing BC. 2 is given as 8. So, 3 is equal to 12. Okay. So 3 is equal to 12. Shrivani, you also fell prey to it initially. You also fell prey, like you also fall it for it, yeah, initially. DEF. But now it's very common, guys. Nowadays, when this has happened for the very first time, when I was there, this has happened for the very first time. Okay. Now this happens when anything happens, guys, very coincidentally, then it's not a big deal. Yeah, then it's not a big deal. Okay. So in case of similarity of triangles, you know, the ratios of area is corresponding to the square of the sides. The ratios of the area is corresponding to the square of sides, is corresponding to the squares of side. Chalo, updated once, guys. I'm going to run this session for now. Maybe only 10 minutes might be. This session might not run for more than 10 minutes now. You might be hungry as well. Yeah. You might be hungry as well. Missing the lunch. 25. 25. Wow, 25 done. 20 out of 25, 23 out of 25, 23. So today 23 is the best. 23 or is the best. So 23 is the best. Harika, Shrivani, very, very congratulations to you. Then Pragati also performed brilliantly. Ram Gurjar has also performed very brilliantly. Shivakaran has performed brilliantly. So there was something, guys. There was something to learn. Yeah, there was something to learn. And we will do the papers like this as well. We will do the papers, guys, like this. And we will master out the things. And I will make you 23, 24, 25 out of 25 for sure. Depending upon the difficulty level of the examination. Depending upon the difficulty level of the examination, I will surely make you 22, 23, 24, 25 out of 25. ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं जिसको हमने किया नहीं. हाँ. Divisible by 88. Divisible by 88. You can say, sir, 8 and 11. You can say 8 and 11. Divisible by 8 and 11 both. Divisible by 8 and 11 both. Okay, cool. For 8, we check the last 3 digits. For 8, we check the last 3 digits. 5y2. 5y2. Now, it is given that for the smallest value of y, smallest possible value of y. So why not begin from y is equal to, guys, y is equal to 0 will not satisfy. Because for y is equal to 0, 0, 2 is not even divisible by 4. How it would be divisible by 8? So we will start from y is equal to 1. 8 6 ja 48, 3, 32 divisible. So y is equal to 1 is satisfying and is the smallest possible value as well. So after y is equal to 1, it's 3 2x 4 1 1 5 1 2. It should be divisible by 11 as well. It should be divisible by 11 as well. For 11 it is alternate plus minus. For 11 it is alternate plus minus. For 11 it is alternate plus minus, yeah. 3 minus 2 1 plus x minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4 and this is plus 1. Alternate plus minus. So it is 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 plus x should be divisible by 11. X comes out to be 8. X comes out to be 8. Bacha, Bacha, have you done the errors? Have you done the errors? Hmm? Have you done the errors? Subtract your 1 marks. Subtract your 1 marks, every one of you. Okay. Subtract your 1 marks, every one of you. So what is the value of, yeah, Ganesh was right. Ganesh was right. What is the value of 4x minus y? So 4x minus y is, 4x is 8, y is 131. Harika, Putin, Shivakaran, subtract your 1. Subtract your 1. What happened? What happened? Have you identified your errors? Have you identified your errors? Getting 11, sure. The smallest possible value of y is 1. Your x is coming something else. You want me to cross check it, guys? You want me to cross check it? Then I can, guys. Sure, Ram. Should I cross check it? Alternate plus minus. Alternate plus minus. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Plus x. 3 minus 2, 1. Cool, cool. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 plus x should be divisible by 11. 3 plus x is divisible by 11 only for x is equal to 8. Only for x is equal to 8. It's looking correct, bacha? It's correct. It's correct, bacha? Okay, yeah, all the people have identified their errors as well. All the people have identified their errors as well. Well done, Ram, Shiva, absolutely, Putin, absolutely, Shiva, Ram, Harika, and all, Harika and all. Okay, take care of yourself, guys. I hope you might have thoroughly enjoyed the session. You might have thoroughly enjoyed the session, and this is what is our Exampur official app, guys. It is consisting of huge features. It is consisting of huge features, guys. Like only the paid courses are paid, because that is the structured learning. Because that is the structured learning we are offering you. Rest all other things are free. Like quizzes, topic wise, subject wise quizzes, all are free. Job alerts, we sometimes miss the job alerts, so with the help, if you continuously a user of it, a big user of it, you will not miss the job alerts. Previous year PDF with annotations. Previous year, yeah, Ganesh, okay, then I will upload it in the Telegram. Yeah, is it going to be fine? Chalo, I'm going to upload it on my Telegram. Okay, I'm going to upload it on my Telegram. Then free mock test, live tests. Free courses are going to start soon. Test series free is available. Study material free, exam wise PDF practice sets. Current affairs daily, weekly, monthly, all are at a single place, and practice questions. Now, why the paid courses are paid? Because they are structured. They are making you prepare for the exam in a structured way. Okay. So this is the way to download it. Open your Play Store, type the Exampur. You will get the app. Open it, register it, fill the credentials, and enjoy it. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Those who like the session, guys, please do not forget to like it before going. Those who like the session, guys, please do not forget to like the session before going, guys. I hope the learnings are good enough. And from tomorrow onwards, guys, we are going to do these kind of papers for the CGL preparation. How it is, guys? From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to bring lot of such kind of papers where some good, moderate, tricky questions are there, and we'll do some papers for our CGL preparations. That would be including all the questions from all the topics, whether that is DIE, whether that is arithmetic, whether that is advanced, as it. Yeah, Ram, yeah. So this is our plannings. Yeah, this is our plannings for sure. Only we need your help is that we need your continuous support. We need your continuous support in form of sharing. We need your continuous support, guys, in form of sharing. Then only our this new initiative would be a grand success. Then only this new initiative would be a grand success. Only with the help of yours and efforts from mine, only with the help of yours and with the efforts of mine and yours. Okay, so take care of yourself, have a great time, see you there, guys. Till then, take care of yourself. Vanakkam, namaste, and see you there in the next session.